Fired. Here's a 6 a.m. theme. The fan sound is just that on loop forever. Freddy's theme, it's in the outro. You probably heard it. I don't know if you knew this, but this is light sound for the left door. Right door. If someone's at right door, left door. Door shut, left. Door shut, right. Power outage. Yeah, I don't even remember the power outage, actually. Jump scare, which sadly we didn't get one. Game over screen we did fail. Menu. Sadly, I didn't get to show you guys or here. The phone guy. I don't even remember his lines anymore. All for the video, and why am I losing my voice and I'm getting it back instantly?